Hello friends, my name is Ahmad, and you are watching Let's Learn with Ahmad. In today's video we will learn how to model a simple soccer ball in Blender 3.3.1. Let's get started. First of all, open a new Blender file. Select all, press X and delete. Go to Add menu, Mesh, and select Icosphere. Change its subdivision to 1. Go to Material tab. Add a new material. Add a second material, and change its color to something like yellow. Add a third material, and change its color to black. Go to Modifier tab, add modifier, Bevel. Click Affect Only Vertices. Set amount value to 0.4. Change viewport shading to Material Preview. Select Shading option in Bevel modifier. Change Material Index value to 1. Press period in numpad. Add another Bevel modifier. Set amount value to 0.002. In Shading option, change Material Index value to 2. Click Add Modifier, Subdivision Surface. Set Levels Viewport to 2. Subdivision Type to Simple. Click Add Modifier, Cast. Set Factor value to 1. Apply all modifiers one by one in sequence. Go to Viewport, press W, Shade Smooth. Press Tab to go in edit mode. Go to Materials tab. Select third material. Click Select to select all the vertices with third material applied. Go to Face menu. Select Extrude individual faces. Extrude the faces inwards. Press Tab to go back to object mode. Our simple football is ready. To create a duplicate football, press Shift D. To change color, select second color, press New Material. Change its color as per your liking. Following the same steps, we can create more footballs with different colors. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos about Blender. See you soon in our next video. Till then, have a nice time.